In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your Skyworth TV is not connecting to the Wi-Fi, or if the Wi-Fi cuts and it's not very stable. So the first step, press the home button. Okay, you're on the home screen and we need to go into settings right over here. So you also have a settings button on the remote control if you want to be quicker. And we're going to disconnect ourselves from the Wi-Fi. So over here, Wi-Fi opened. Select the network you're currently connected to, and over here it says connected. Go down and select forget network. Okay, perfect. Next step, you're gonna go ahead and unplug your TV from the wall outlet. Leave it like this. You're gonna go and find the power button that is located under your TV. Most of the time it's in the middle, but sometimes it's on the right side or left. And you're gonna click on it, press on it during 20 seconds. You're gonna drain all the remaining energy that is in the TV. After 20 seconds, release it. At this point, I also highly suggest you go where your Wi-Fi router is and unplug it from the wall socket as well. Wait 2 minutes and plug it back. Many times the problem is coming from your Wi-Fi router. So by doing this, we just want to make sure that, we get rid of the problem. So after 2 minutes, plug back your Wi-Fi router, go back to your TV, plug it. Turn it on using the button under the TV. Wait for it to start. And usually your Wi-Fi router should be up and running in around 3 minutes. So give it some time. Anyway, the TV will take time. Wait for the TV to start. All right, the TV has started. So we go back in the Wi-Fi settings by pressing the settings button. Select Wi-Fi. And now you can go back and connect to your network. Enter the password. It's now connecting back, and hopefully now you won't have this issue anymore. If you find yourself having the problem again and again, you can do a factory reset. How do you do one? Well, let me show you. So take your remote control and press the cogwheel button over here. You see on the top right corner, click on it. And now select all settings, which is this button. Okay. Once you're in this menu, we need to go all the way down. Once you see system highlighted, press OK. Now select about, it's the second option. And now you need to go down and select reset. Select reset. Factory reset is the only option. Click on it. And from here, all you have to do, well, first make sure that you have a backup in case you want to save anything, but everything will be wiped out. So your Google account will be wiped out, your pictures, anything you have saved on the TV memory, your apps, and your personal data will all disappear. So go ahead, select factory reset. It will take 2 minutes. The TV will shut down, will power on by itself without you having to touch anything. And yeah, you'll be good to go afterwards. So this is about it. Comment down below if this was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.